Got a Monday morning. We're doing 3 jobs back to back today. Done the first shoot. It was just photos at a property. So it's nice and quick, about an hour there. So the next shot is a drone specific. So drone video, drone photos. And what I did right now, so I'm on a 45-minute walk, doing a first workout for 75 hard, actually. Hashtag Andy Frisella and the team at First Form. If you guys don't know First Form, Andy Frisella's 75 hard challenge, worth looking into. That's all I'll say. I did a little bit of content ideation, just brainstorming how I want to approach this drone only video. And we just finished one for the same client a few days ago, which was a lot of fun. And now we are doing another one. So I'm going to show more about this on post editing, just because not set up really well today to do videotape me actually videotaping the drone, because I have to use my phone. But yeah, it can be a lot of fun. It can be a challenge too, because you know, when you're only doing drone, there's a lot of the same opportunity for the same shot, right? So you don't want it to be repetitive. You want it to be engaging. You still want to have a good mix of zoomed out shots to detail shots. So that's kind of what I broke it into today. And the way I broke it down was into 4 different categories. So that's zoomed out neighborhood shots, and then lot size shots where you're focused in a little bit more on the property, and then yard shots where you're, you know, kind of at ground level, anywhere from 2 meters to 10 meters up. So you're a little closer to the home, and then detail shots where you're very close to the features of the house, so people can get a good idea of what it looks like up front. So I'm blending it between those 4 categories, 15 seconds a piece, to give us a pretty engaging 60-minute video. 60-second video. 60 minutes would, holy smokes, my skills would have to be at another level to keep people on the edge of their seat for 60 minutes. But anyway, that's what we're doing. So stick around to see that one in post-production. Okay, drone footage done. I really need to get one of those charging packs. My DJI Mini 2, I had a drone job right before this where I had to take some pictures. So I had one battery at 100%, and then I had another battery at like 80%. So I got to be extremely structured when I do this, or else I don't have enough time. But I'm solving that issue, buying more batteries and a charging pack. Don't be stupid. So we're back in post edit. I got all the clips put together for the drone video, and as promised, let's jump in and let's see how that video turned out.